In this video, I am going to explore the React hooks. Actually, hooks are very important during coding, and in this video, I will just explain about the hooks, when we should use it, and what are the rules we should follow. So, if we go to the React website, then we can see that they have the basic hooks are use state, use effect, use context, and there are some additional hooks, and you can see here that each hook are defined with the use. So using the use, we can create our own custom hooks, but we will learn this later. Now let's go to our VS Code. So actually we use these hooks to manage the states in React and the components. So the hooks are only used in functional components. So let's try with the first hooks, the use state, and let's see how it works. So the syntax of using the state from is use state, and it will be imported from our React. Okay, here we can give our state variable. For example, I am keeping a variable as number, and the second parameter it accept as a callback function as a set number. Now if we call, we can use this number for our purpose. For example, if we write a function here, increase number, and is accept our number parameter and set the number. So when this function will be called by taking a value, it will increase the number by 1, and it will set the number to our variable, and we can use here our initial state here. For example, if we set our initial state as 0, then and if we console log our number here, then in our console log we can see that the number value has taken as 0 as the initial state. So let's go to our console. Here is our live set, and here is 0 at the initial state. So now call this function with our number variable, increase number inside our number, and here again console log our number to see that the number value. Sorry, I have called the function with our state variable, so the component is rendering multiple times. Here we will use our custom value. For example, at the initial state we have used 0. Now if we use our value as 5, then it will this function will accept the parameter as 5, and it will increase the number 1, and our number value will be 6. Now you can see that here the function is calling again and again, and at the finally the browser is saying that the render limit has it has the infinity loop for rendering. So in this so we cannot use the function to call a number in this way. We must use it in another hook form, which is our use effect hook. So if we check the React website here, and here is our second hook is use effect hook. So let's use that use effect hook. And the syntax of this use effect will, at first it will receive a callback function, and inside this callback function it will be our logics here, and in the second argument it will receive a dependency. So each time the number will be changed, the use effect will be fired to call this function. But I am not giving the number again, because if I give the dependency here, then it will be the same thing what happened previously. So let's check our UI. Let's see, there is only on. Okay, in this way we can use our React state, React hook. So the main thing is when we will use this React hook. Actually the React hook is nothing but just like a function. When to use this React hook, when you will need to use a function or a logic multiple times, or when you need to manage the state dynamically. So at this time you can use a hook, and if you and you must have to follow some rules during using this hook. These are the hooks must be called at the top level of our component, and don't call it inside any loop, condition, or any nested function. And lastly this hook will be only called from a functional components, not from the class component. It will not work in class component. So that's all today.